Hello guys, welcome back to Minis. We'll paint today blades in non-metallic metal style, as you can see. I will use for the process my Infinity airbrush for the most of it. If you're considering to buy one, please do not buy the cheap airbrushes, but invest your money in better tools like the Infinity airbrush. The Infinity airbrush is one of the best tools I ever had in my hand. This opinion is not sponsored, it's my personal opinion. It's one of the best tools I ever used, especially for beginners. So if you're considering one, buy this and not those cheap ones that you can find on the internet. This will help you handle the painting process. You will not get frustrated. For the first step, we will cover the blades with a 50-50 mix of Vallejo black and Vallejo cold gray for both sides, and leave it to dry. The first highlight that I will apply is Grey Z from Vallejo, and I will apply it on the blades where the light hits. As you can see, I used some rubber for protection. My previous work, one of the greatest tools that you can ever buy if you start with the airbrushing. It's masking putty from Green Stuff World. So protect your previous work and apply the first highlights. After the first highlight, we can leave it to dry, but do not forget to do it both sides. Before we move to the other side of the blade, we will mark some light on this side on the blade with ink from Vallejo. So at this point we can remove our plastic putty, leave the whole thing to dry, and in the meantime I will cover one side of the blade with the plastic band to paint reflections on the other side. Let's paint the other side of the blade As you can see, guys, I covered one side of the blade with some mask tape. I covered the whole area with the mix of black and cold gray. And now I will use again the Gray Z from Vallejo to paint the first highlights. So let's try this, and we will be back for the next step. So in this step we grab again ink from Vallejo and paint the final light reflection. I think that's enough. So let's see our result. This is more or less the result you're looking for. So this is one blade, this is the other one, and for the next step we will use white to edge highlight the whole blade on both sides. After the edge highlight, this is the effect you're looking for. If you're not quite happy with the transition between the colors, you can smooth it out with the Space Wolf's Gray by dilute it, please, highly. Not use it direct from the pot. It will not cover the smoothness, but it will destroy your work. I hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial. If yes, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!